We are about to head over and meet up with Randy with Laid Not Sprayed, pick up my GT500. But first, let's catch you guys up with my mom's car situation. She's always wanted a Mustang, so eventually she finally got a 2014 V6. That car was totaled, a lady ran into her, so now we're here today. She just recently picked up a 2006 GT. It's not as nice as the one that she had, so that's where I come in. And when we're done with this one, she's probably not even gonna think about the last one that she had. And if you didn't catch the previous video, we put some new wheels and tires on it. So you guys already know, before you get new tires, you gotta burn the old ones. You know it doesn't have enough power.
It doesn't have enough power for you to scare me in this car.
Yeah, she said I couldn't scare her.
GD!
And here we are today. We're gonna meet up with Randy and swap cars. What do you think of those wheels, bud?
They actually look really good.
They do look good.
Much better than the other wheels.
So mom left her Mustang with me. I'm gonna get online tonight. We're gonna order a new hood for it. We're gonna probably, I don't know if I'm gonna do a new front bumper or just a front chin splitter or spoiler, whatever the hell you call that damn thing. We're changing the wing. I'm definitely gonna go with the GT500 style wing. I'm gonna get that ordered. And I'm gonna probably order all new black badging. Get this black, and then we'll probably, when we have it wrapped, we'll wrap this black. I don't know, ooh, bless you, bud. Yeah, we're gonna take all this shit off, but I don't know if we're gonna change the taillights. We might change the taillights, smoke those out, and smoke out all these. This thing's gonna look good. We're gonna go with a different style hood on it. The goal is to have it all done by Mustang week. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go meet up with Randy. He's gonna give me my car back, and then I'm gonna give him this car. But I will go over everything that we end up ordering later on. So as of right now, the only thing that's done to this car is just the wheels, and then the intake, and then the exhaust. Did wanna lower it, but she's like one of those careless people that pulls into shopping centers at the same speed limit as the road is that's entering the shopping center. So if we lowered it, she's gonna just tear up the whole front end. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
They've got a little curb rash on them, so if anybody's interested in these, let me know. The tires are like brand new, no burnouts or nothing like that ever done on these. So we're gonna go hit the road. I'm gonna have Laura transition this vlog. You wanna transition it?
What's up, guys? What's up, Andy? How you doing today? Good to see you. You too, man. How you been?
What do you think of that? So Randy was able to get a lot of this stuff out. You gotta show him what you used on this. Dude, it's about the thunderstorm. Oh, you... Got him! So that's what you used, and it was able to get it off. So you sprayed it on, let it set for like 30 seconds. 30 seconds?
If you didn't have the Ceramic Pro, it'd be a lot easier.
Awesome, thank you. Rewrap for the GT500, so we're just trying to pick up. No, this is actually from my mom's car. We're gonna keep it girly for her, so I think we're gonna go with like a purple or pink. I don't know. We might do pink. What do you think? Yeah. It just started pouring down. Got mom's car up on the trailer. We just swapped it with the GT500. And now all we gotta do is pick out a color, right?
Yeah.
Andy's the one that chose this place, Perkins. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Perkins.
It's so good.
I mean,
you know,
it's connected to a Clarion Inn. I mean, you'll either die, get robbed, or eat bad food.
Yeah, I don't know. Laura said it's like one of those restaurants that are in areas where there's nothing else. Only go there because that's your only option.
Very true.
Only option for good food. Man, it's better than Denny's and it's better than IHOP. You've never been to Perkins?
No.
We had a Perkins in Frankfurt that shut down because it was connected to a Clarion Inn.
Randy was the only customer.
And Randy was apparently the only customer who never had it. And I eat.
Food vlog.
Food vlog.
It was a good Les.
actually really good.
What do you think, Amanda?
So good.
It's
Now I know why it's connected to a hotel.
It's pretty much a Denny's. It's okay. Damn. It was okay, but Randy, look, I got you a gift card, so you can thank me later. And we're about to hit the road. I gotta go stop, get some gas, and then we're heading back to the house. Can you send him back to the house? Look at you, buddy. Already vlogging. You're like a professional, but you got Play-Doh on your head. Did you know that? Chocolate on your face and Play-Doh on your head. What happens if I knock it off? Yeah, so we had to get little man to transition this vlog because Laura couldn't do it. All right, so we're back here at the house. It's actually currently the next day. Anybody looking for a Whipple pulley? I've got one for sale. So, and I've got some booster pumps. And what else are we selling, babe?
Your car.
My car? No, I'm not selling my car.
Your ST, you are.
Oh yeah, my ST, yes, I'm selling the ST. I just got so much stuff that I'm trying to sell. And the wheels that came off of Mom's Mustang, it's gonna be for sale. So as far as my mom's Mustang, we're gonna do a full like build on this car, and then we're gonna do like a big reveal when I go and give it to her. So we'll get her reaction on that. Everything that we're doing to this car, we got through American Muscle. We got a GT 500 style wing with a Cervini's hood. We went with a Cervini's grill. What else did we order for this thing?
Some kind of roll bar.
Yeah, we did the convertible roll bar thing. That's gonna look good. Anybody with a convertible Mustang, that's like a must to do. We also did a front chin splitter. We did all the black badging. So we're gonna black out all the badging because we're wrapping the car. So the car right now is at Randy's. So once I get all the parts, I'll take them over to Randy and we're gonna wrap the whole car. This thing, it's not gonna look like the same car when we're done. And what are you putting away, dishes? Or
Yeah, I'm putting away dishes.
Yeah, do your job. Off camera, she like has me on a leash.
Yeah, I do. And off camera, he's gonna pay for that.
So we're gonna go
now
ahead.
He's being nice because he's scared.
No, I'm not. Whatever. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, if you guys want to see what's going on with Mama's Mustang. And then we got some cool stuff coming in for the GT 500 only. A couple parts showed up already. I'm super excited. Right? Are you excited? Mm-hmm. We still got to get that first drive in. I want to do our first drive with Laura. So.
Really?
Yeah. The first drive with the new setup. Why are you acting all surprised?
Because.
Remember the video that went viral that had over 1 million views? Which I don't know why that video. Do you know?
No.
Like, it's like the most random video out of all my videos that actually goes viral.
That you weren't even gonna post because it was horrible.
Yeah, it was a very bad video.
And I was in the worst mood.
That video happens to be the one that goes viral. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.